Don't even ask. All right. We got tater tots. We got hot dog buns. We're gonna need some more hot dog buns for tomorrow. We got French fries. And we got plenty of hot dogs, and we got goose. I think we are good for tomorrow's excursion of Free Friday. Right there. Right there. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. It's Thursday. We're one day closer to Friday. The 28th of August, 2025. I think I got your sister's hair stuck in my throat. Man, she was wild last night, I gotta tell you. She was wild. But ladies and gentlemen, what's even more wild is that my cunt is getting poster number 70 of 150. Yep, you heard me that. You heard me correct. My cunt is getting poster number 70 of 150 of the Mikey Pipes limited edition version 2.0 2025 poster. My cunt.
That word, my C.
Yeah, my cunt is also getting Chris Kringle. He's getting Flacco. He's getting Baller. He's getting Brolic. And not to mention fucking Superman. My cunt in Texas is getting the poster. Now, these posters, 100% of all proceeds, which is $42.50, goes to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy Charitable Organization. Oh, shit, today's Thursday. Today's Thursday. That family in Virginia is getting a free air conditioning installed today. That's epic. Should I call him? I want to call him up. The contract. Let's call him up. I told him, unfortunately, that I cannot be there today. Here we go. Let's give him a call. Hope he picks up the phone.
Hello?
Donnie!
Hey.
It's me, Mikey Pipes.
How you doing?
I'm doing great. I didn't hear back from you since I texted you last week, but you're good for today?
Yep, we're heading there right now. My guys are meeting me down there.
Excellent. If you need any assistance in wiring, it's quite simple. But there's no dip switches to change inside the unit. But all you need is 2 wires going to the outdoor unit, because it'll communicate. The indoor unit will communicate with the outdoor one with just 2 wires. But if you need any help, call me, text me. I'm also going to send you my guy Daniel's number. And if you have any problems with wiring, which you probably shouldn't, you probably won't, but just give us a call and we'll help you out.
Okay, yeah, we actually put one of these in a couple months ago.
Oh, perfect.
Like the homeowner bought it himself, and we went down and installed it for him.
Okay, not too shabby.
Yep.
And if you guys could take some picture or video, I could upload that to the channel and give you guys proper recognition, and hook you guys up.
Okay, yeah, I'll take some pictures of everything as we're doing it. I'll try to get some pictures and stuff. So.
Okay, I'd appreciate that. And if run into any problems, give me a call. I appreciate it.
Yep, we should get it.
Awesome.
I got my good installer. He's been doing it for 50 years, so he's good.
50 years.
he's an old dude, so he's done everything 27 times already, so he's good. He's like, we got this.
Okay.
Like, right on.
Awesome. All right, Donnie. And let me know if you have any unforeseen expenses, material you need to buy, and I can definitely reimburse you for that.
Okay, cool. Will do.
Thank you so much, Donnie.
All right, thanks.
We'll talk later. Thank you, too. Bye.
Bye.
You see that, folks? A little over a week ago. No, it was about a week and a half ago. That family, that mom, my cunt, by the way, is getting this poster in Texas. My cunt.
Oh my God.
So I got his permission. Well, I got his wife's permission.
Yeah.
Right? Because he said, no, don't mention his name. I was like, come on, my cunt? I can't say it. My cunt is getting a Mikey Pipes version 2.0 poster. She sent me $42.50 yesterday. And
People must really get off on your fucking videos, man.
who?
People must really get off on your videos.
They do, man. They do.
Why the fuck are you doing this? Why aren't you doing stand-up?
No.
You have that personality.
No, I don't. No, hell no.
You doing, you know.
Hey, what do you call a lesbian barbecue?
What's that?
What do you call a lesbian barbecue?
What do you call it?
Tell me, answer the question.
Bush on a fire? What?
An LGBTQ.
Oh my God. You're fucked up, man.
What do you tell a woman?
Oh, here we go. See? Here's the stand-up act.
What do you tell a woman with two black eyes? Everyone knows this one.
No, I don't remember.
Nothing you haven't told twice already. My Cons is getting a poster. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's Thursday. Tomorrow is Free Friday, and Free Friday means that at 1 o'clock on Friday, which is tomorrow, the August 29th, we are giving out free hot dogs, free tater tots, free French fries, free cotton candy, and free popcorn. Don't come here at 2:30 or 3 o'clock expecting a hot dog, because you're not going to get shit. You're going to get... I can give you shit if you want, right? But you're not going to get shit.
I'm going to play with the shit pipes so I can bring some back.
Yes. And remember, if you live in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area, and you're tired of getting bamboozled by HVAC contractor, reach out to me. And if you live on Long Island, you're tired of getting fucked by your plumber, who doesn't have one of these, this water jetter. This is the G-Jet by Valor. It's a 4,000 PSI water jetter for sewer mains. If you need a sewer main water jetted, look no further. Give me a fucking call. What are you waiting on, motherfuckers? Do it now. The sun is shining behind me. Look at that.
Eric!
Look at that.
Help!
Help! I've fallen. I can't get up. And ladies and gentlemen,
Here we go again.
to the thanks of one particular subscriber and supporter of the community who sends us $54 every Thursday. If you want a free poster, the first one to email me, Mike at MikeyPipes.com, I will send the poster. And you're going to get number 71. I didn't number them. I got to number them. 71. Okay? 71 to you if you email me, and I'll send that out to you
We got a douche.
ASAP.